Bottoms up was not invented to make bar owners more money. It was invented from the customer side of the bar, the patron side of the bar. I used to hang out at this bar, BJ's Bar and Grill in Aberdeen, Washington. Metallica actually played there once. You guys remember the Motherlode tour? The winner got Metallica. Anyway, I'm dating myself. I digress. But I used to hang out at this bar, and anytime I wanted anything when it was busy, you couldn't get it because the bartenders were stuck pouring beer. They couldn't do anything else. They were just stuck there at the faucets pouring beer. And I don't know, maybe you guys, bar owners, maybe you remember a time like that. Maybe that's why you opened your bar, so you could provide better service. And maybe like me now, you're a little spoiled and you can get a beer anytime you want. But put yourself back in the shoes of your customer or the patron, waiting there for everything else, but your bartenders can't get to them because they're stuck pouring a beer. I went through that experience, and I didn't invent Bottoms Up like right then and there. I actually just stored that experience in my mind, and later saw it in a daydream, saw a pitcher of beer filling up in a daydream, and I told my dad about it, and he said if it could be done, somebody else would have already done it. And I was like, and the rest is history. So it turns out that it wasn't invented to make bar owners more money, but if you provide your customers with fast and efficient service, you make more money. So anyway, fun fact.